Microtail present 3-phase voltage protector device. This is output on, off manual switch. This is menu key. This is value down key. This is value up key. This is output on, off LED indication. This is over voltage trip indication. This is under voltage trip indication. This is over current trip indication. This is running phase ampere display. This is running phase voltage display. Parameter 1 is power on delay time, its range is 1 seconds to 500 seconds. Output power is on after set seconds to this parameter. Parameter U1, this is over voltage protection value, if running voltage will go above this value, output will trip in over voltage, its range is 390 volts to 500 volts. Parameter U2, under these value of running voltage over voltage protection becomes reset, its range is 385 to 495 volts. Its value always less than value of U1 parameter. Parameter U3, this is the delay time seconds value, to reset the over voltage trip. Its range is 1 seconds to 500 seconds. Parameter U4, this is the value at which controller trips output in over voltage protection. Its range is 0.1 seconds to 30 seconds. Parameter U5, if running voltage goes below this set value, output trips in under voltage, its range is 370 to 260 volts. Parameter U6, if running voltage goes above this set value, output trips resets, its range is 375 to 265 volts. Its value must be higher than U5 parameter. Parameter U7, this is the delay time, after which controller resets trip under voltage protection, its range is 1 seconds to 500 seconds. Parameter U8, this is time value in seconds, to trip output in under voltage protection, its range is 0.1 to 30 seconds. Parameter U9, if there is difference in running voltage and on display screen, this parameter helps you to correct voltage by its percentage value, its range is minus 9.5% to 9.5%. Parameter U10, this parameter is used to trip output if there is a voltage difference between two consecutive phases, its range is 20 volts to 99 volts. Parameter U11, below this voltage value, voltage unbalanced trip becomes auto reset, its range is 5 volts to 94 volts, this parameter value must be less than U10 parameter. Parameter U12, this parameter is selection switch of voltage unbalance protection. On means protection is active, off means protection is deactive. Parameter U13, use this parameter to check input phase sequence like RYB and use to control output, if this parameter value is on phase sequence protection is on and if its value is off protection is off. Parameter C1, this parameter represent overload or overcurrent protection, if running current goes above the set value output trips in overcurrent, its range is 1 ampere to 40 ampere, 63 ampere, 80 ampere, 100 ampere as per your device capacity rating. Parameter C2, it is a delay time in seconds to reset over current protection trips. Its range is 1 second to 500 seconds. Parameter C3, it is time in seconds to trip output in over current protection, its range is 0.1 seconds to 30 seconds. Parameter C4, if there is a difference in running ampere and on display ampere then you can adjust its value by this parameter, its range is minus 9.5% to 9.5%. Parameter C5, this is locking count of protection trip controller, can trip output only at this value time, its range is a 1 to 20 or off. Off means no count lock. Continue to press set key to repeat cycle.